Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a VBM Donobar Junior digital version. And pretty much this machine had came in for multiple reasons, one of them being that the machine wouldn't turn on. That was an easy fix because once we took some of the stuff out, we realized that the button was just not working anymore. After we got the machine on and running and fixed some of the charred wiring that we have here, as you see, we found quite a bit of issues. We had a lot of leakings from a lot of places, and they're all leaking into the drip tray. One of them was the air valve, so we replaced the air valve with a newer one. I have the older one here with me, just to show you. As you can see how much scale is in this machine. That thing is caked in scale. And so these things will go out if you have that much scale in it, since they're small chambers. Also, we replaced the vacuum release valve, because that one was also leaking a ton into the drip tray. And then the steam one was also leaking, so we changed the stem and changed the insides of the assembly, all the gaskets. We did not change the body of the assembly because that's really hard to get to with this machine since everything's welded together. You can't just take it off. And then we fixed some stuff with the knob. We still have a lot of issues happening, but pretty much we got the machine running and resolved, so it should run great. And you might have a little bit of leaks from the hot water spout or from the valves, but that's just from wear. We did a normal tune-up on this one. We did not do overhaul because the valves on this machine looked all right, but the coffee was just getting them really stuck. And then the top of your boiler is really full of scale. I tried descaling this machine. I had to do it minimally because how dark and green the water came out when we put descaling in it. It was unsafe to try doing that without breaking the heating element, so I just cleaned it. So I got a little bit of descale in there, but took it out. So I descaled it only a tiny bit. So yeah, I just didn't want to break that heating element. At that point, you want to not try to descale the machine. So I would just recommend testing your water with this machine. Make sure the water you put in there is good, or have filters on your machine in the water tank. But yeah, so now we're going to test the machine. We have our test coffee. Don't worry if this pours too slow, too fast. I did not adjust our grind to this machine. We're going to run it up. It's actually really pretty shot. I'll let that go. Alright, now we're going to test the steam one in the hot water. Steam on, working well. We got a whole new inside assembly in there, so now it won't leak as bad, and also it runs really well. And hot water, we're just going to test with a cup.
This is unfair.
And it's hot water for me. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.